guys, what's going on? Welcome back to K&L Gumball.
And today we're going to do an unboxing.
Alright guys, so today we'll be unboxing a Rhino Classic. And yeah, we ordered this to go on a stand. And yeah guys, looks good. Yeah, let's open it up. Alright guys, so now we're gonna unbox it, and yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so took off the plastic, and looks like it came with 2 keys. That's cool. Yeah, if you didn't know, all Rhinos come with the same type of keys, and yeah, let's pull it out. Oh, look at that. That is nice. Alright guys, so we got the gumball wheel in there, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. I don't see any imperfections or anything, and yeah, Rhinos are great machines. We have one just like this, and it does really well for us. So let's open it up and put some gumballs in it.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we got the lid off, it's over here, and we got the gumballs right here, and let's go ahead and pour. Alright guys, so this is what the machine looks like all set up. It looks really clean, and we got this for about 50 bucks from Candy Machine's warehouse. And yeah, in my opinion, Rhino vending is one of the best brands you can get for a gumball machine. Alright guys, thank you for watching our little unboxing of the Rhino Classic from Candy Machine's warehouse. I hope you enjoyed. As always, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload.
Okay guys, bye.
Bye.